Premium comfort, smooth accessibility, and legendary Toyota reliability. This is a 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE wheelchair accessible van. With only 22,600 miles, this Sienna XLE offers exceptional long-term value and dependable performance. It's equipped with the trusted BraunAbility automatic side entry fold-out conversion, designed to make everyday mobility simple and stress-free. The automatic fold-out ramp deploys quickly for easy entry and then stows securely for travel. This van comfortably accommodates most wheelchairs and power chairs. The Sienna also features a driver's side turnout seat, making transfers into the driver position easier and more comfortable. An ideal option for those who want added independence behind the wheel. Inside, the gray leather interior provides a premium comfort driving experience, while the sunroof brings in natural light and fresh air. On the outside, the clean white finish gives this van a modern, refined look. Powered by Toyota's dependable 3.5-liter V6 engine, this Sienna delivers smooth, confident performance, perfect for daily driving, errands, and longer road trips. This 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE delivers a perfect balance of luxury and accessibility. With low mileage, premium interior features, and BraunAbility's industry-leading mobility engineering, it's built to make every trip smoother, easier, and more enjoyable. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the wheelchair-accessible van that fits your lifestyle.